We're back with Spotted in the UAE, and we've got more stars you've never met. Enter the Arabian Caracal. Ears sharper than your morning alarm, reflexes faster than your food delivery app. This cat doesn't just survive in the ecosystem, it runs it. This is the Arabian Tahr. Shy, tough, and annoyingly good at rock climbing. While they hop up cliffs for breakfast, we're down here wheezing after 10 minutes on the hiking trail. The Arabian Eagle Owl, the UAE's night guard, always watching, never a fan of noise. These are some of the UAE's real treasures. Let's protect the species that call the UAE home.